PICOSECOND Blue-Red Laser Pen Portable Scars Freckle Tattoo Removal Mole Dark Spot Pigment Remover Pico Beauty Machine. Theory. Picosure is a quick and easy non-surgical, non-invasive laser skin treatment for those seeking a more youthful appearance. Picosure laser can treat many body areas including chest, face, hands, legs, and more. Patients have also experienced great treatment for acne scars, pigmented lesions and wrinkles. See Picosure skin treatment before and after photos. Theory. Picosure laser focuses on your problem areas, whether it's brown spots, sun damage, freckles, pigmented lesions, or acne scars. Picosure offers a gentler treatment. In the past, lasers has relied on intense heat removing pigment from the skin, which can be painful and lead to significant skin redness and downtime. Why Picosure? As the number of individuals with tattoos has increased, they need improved tattoo removal methods. Tattoo removal methods have evolved from potentially harmful effects with good results. Until the introduction of laser tattoo removal, people resort to tattoo removal methods such as acid treatments, surgical excision, and dermabrasion. Picosure tattoo removal from traditional Q-switch lasers. Also, Picosure patients and doctors have improved and are looking for yourself and contact a Picosure doctor today. Feature 1. The pulse width of the laser is short. Most photon thermal effects, no damage to the intact tissue. 2. The powerful and ultra-fast laser speed can instantly resolve melanin. 3. Without hurts and damages to any skin tissues. 4. Less using time to achieve better effects. 5. Suitable for a wide range of customers. Long-term effect is more obvious, more durable and safe. Functions. 1. Tattoo removal. 2. Mole removal. 3. Dark spot, freckle, pigment removal. 4. Eyebrow makeup cleaning. 5. Acne treatment. What are the differences between blue light picosecond pen and red light picosecond pen? The power of the blue light picosecond pen is more strong. It needs more professional operation. It has 9 levels of frequency, different output frequency and speed. The flash area is bigger. Patient need to wear safety goggles during the operation. The red laser pen has 3 levels of frequency, its flash area is smaller. It is suitable for subtle operation. Only there are different types of results. The results are the same, both of them are for removing tattoo, mole, speckle, acne. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.